Well, welcome back, everybody. I want to give you a Monday morning update here. I want to do this Monday morning rather than Sunday, given all that's happening in the world here, and kind of start your week off right and get you right into the action of what I'm looking at. So, a couple of things here. First of all, you'll recall 3 weeks ago, I feel like a broken record, but you know what? That's what's important. We outlined this key support resistance. Now, there's some additional key support resistance levels that have come up since that time as well. These institutional levels that I always like to focus on, right? But with that being said, there was the key one from back here weeks ago. And so, because it was such a wide range bar. And so, what we're looking at here is since that time, you'll see the numerous opens, highs, lows, closes, in this area here constantly, right? Over and over and over again. Even here just a little bit ago, this market went ahead and was pushing to this area here, and we just kind of came down. So right here, the bottom end of this, we kind of came down, came back up to it, rolled back over. What do we call that? That's called a runaway with my TRP, Trade Rescue Package system, right? That's one of those tools that everybody can focus on. So you see here, we're selling off like as I'm making this video right now, right? And so the thing is, this area here continues 3 weeks later to still be so important to us, as did here the bottom end of this area, just above the 21,500 area, over the last couple weeks. So you can see here the multiple times we've touched both sides of this since then. So you can imagine how powerful this is on both sides of this, right? So this 3 weeks later is what we're watching. Just like I said, consider this massive coiling up, getting ready to explode. And this is one of the longer ones that we've seen in recent history. And so it's going to be really exciting, and it's offering up with all the volatility right now. It's offering up this ongoing, activity here. So you'll see we get these, sell signals there. Then it's going in and reaching target 1, midpoint, target 2, and then pulling through target 2, pulling back up target 2. What do we call that when then it starts to take back off again? A runaway, right? Just like over here, we were looking to see if we could get a runaway. We want to see if we could push through, pull back, take off. What did it do? Nope, it was limp. Then over here, what did it do? It actually pulled back. So then it had a 1 day. It's like, okay, let's see if it can go and then pull back, start to take back off. What did it do? It died. What did it do here? It died. What did it do over the weekend here? Gap down way over here, and now it's still right at this level. So 3 weeks later, we are still struggling with that level. But on an intraday basis, there are some incredible opportunities here. We're going to push through key support resistance levels. Just like we were trying to do to the upside over here, we did to the downside here just a few minutes ago, pushed back to it, and then started to take back off, leading to nice 40-point plus moves. That's $800 for a single NASDAQ contract in 4 or 5 minutes. So the point is, there's really great opportunities with this market right now that we're going to be focusing on, because we still, weeks later, have not gone ahead and cleared the resistance fully, cleared the support fully, and it's just been leading to this incredible opportunity for trading. And again, we were actually talking about the TRP there just a little bit ago, Trade Rescue Package. So that's one of those tools, right? That's for everybody. Unlike I did a class here a week or so ago, week and a half, for something I haven't done for 2 years, because that was for like the top 25%, the most serious of serious. Right here, the TRP, this is for everybody, because it has entries, exits, stops, targets, all these different types of things. So I'd love to have you guys and join me for this class. I'm going to do it. I haven't done it personally, I think in like a year and a half. And you guys can go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Wednesday morning, I'm going to do a very special class there. It won't be as long as my ITP class. Doesn't need to be. It's so straightforward. Here's the entry. Here's the exit. Here's the stop loss. Right? It's much more straightforward. That's why it's really kind of for everybody. But we can see this thing still kind of happening while we're sitting here on this video together right now. And so it all starts with this over here, and we're going to talk all about that here on Wednesday morning. So come join me there. We're still watching these same levels from 3 weeks ago. The same key supports, the same key resistance. I can't wait to go through all this with you here Wednesday morning. It's going to be awesome. But that's the kind of trades I'm going to be looking for right now here over these next couple of days for the reasons I just outlined, because we are still in with these key support resistance areas. I either want to break out above this and start to run away, break down below, start to run away after 3 weeks of coiling here. It's going to be exciting either way. And in the meantime, we're going to have these really phenomenal opportunities on a intraday basis. So with that being said, I'm going to be getting back to the markets here, but I want to kind of prepare you for what I'm looking for here and why, because of these key support resistance areas around this market volatility that we're having right now with everything going on with the conflicts overseas. And also don't forget to join me again. I'll see you Wednesday morning. BecomeABetterTrader.com/go. Have a great rest of your day. Let's knock them dead. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye for now.